Here I am today with my LuxDiva box. My name's Fawn, this is my channel and it's a happy place, and I try really hard for you to have a happy time too. It's mostly unboxings, but there's quite a lot of hauls and just general nonsense. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, leave me a comment and ring the bell. Anyway, this is my LuxDiva box. I have been waiting so long for this to come. It was held up because customs decided to hang on to it this month. Don't know why, they didn't last month, and they charged me an extra £14.42p to get it delivered. So there better be something good in here. But you know I do love LuxDiva. I've only had it once before. It's my little slice of America here in the middle of nowhere. And it's out of order, but I couldn't wait to do it. So here we go. Okay, first things first, some sort of Rice Krispie treat. We don't really have these over here. We do have, I think Kellogg's do a version, or Rice Krispies, or one of those. We don't generally have these here, so that will be interesting to try that. Then I have my usual card. Did I enjoy your first box with us? I hope so. I have the lovely September one here. Oh, September, and I'm in October. Shows how far behind it is. Stay well, happy fall and smile, love, Marina. Thank you, Marina. And here's my list of things with a retail value of $109. I've got to try and remember that it's dollars all the way through because I'm going to want to say pounds. It's all beautifully wrapped inside. I'm so excited, guys. Here we go. Ooh, first up is a makeup bag. It says fashion. It's got some shoes on it, and then it's sort of not paisley, kind of a paisley, a pretty print on the back. It's plastic. It's got a wrist strap for carrying it around. Let's have a little look. And then it's got a nice toggle to undo it, and just lined, waterproof. That's cool. And do you know what I might use that for? I was only thinking this the other day. I need to start putting, I need to find a place to put my receipts for all the shopping that I'm doing, because then if I need to take something back or change it, I have a hell of a job finding the receipts, and it actually says fashion on it. So this could sit in one of my drawers or on the desk and look quite smart and hold all my receipts. So I am happy with that. I'm not going to use it as a makeup bag. I'm going to use it as a receipt bag. Next, oh, and I didn't tell you about it, did I? I was too busy whiffling. Where's my glasses? Here we go. Boho Stiletto print round cosmetic bag with wrist strap, and that was valued at $15. I need to keep my glasses on my head, really, don't I? Otherwise I'm going to keep looking at them. Next is, oh, it's green, and green's not a bad colour on me, so I'm quite happy. Green, I think it's the green eyes, and it is, what is it? It's a, oh, I don't know, what is it? Oh, it's a scarf. I've got a green scarf. It's a green two-tone distressed infinity scarf. I had to go and have a look because I couldn't figure that out. Can you see? It's green, really pretty shade of green on that side. And then on the inside, it's more of a denim-y blue. Now, that's nice. Actually, I struggle with scarves. I get too hot, but I tell you who adores scarves and really needs them because of her neck, my mother. But I don't know, I'm going to watch this back because I might keep this. It doesn't feel heavy. It's got a lightness to it, and I like the mix of colours. That would work really well with a denim jacket. Ooh, I might actually be keeping this one. But if all else fails, my mother will have it. Really pleased. I always say that, don't I? Really pleased with that. But I am. And that infinity scarf was $22. Next is a chain and tassel print face and neck reusable gaiter mask. Valued at $15. Right, let's have a look, shall we? So it would come up. I'm not going to put it over my head because it would drive me nuts right now, but that's what it would look like. That's kind of cool, isn't it? And then you can just wear it around your neck when you want to. I do like that, but this will definitely go to my mother. My mother can never find her mask. It hangs off her ear. She's lost it. We spend time crawling around under the car and in the car because she's convinced that she put it on her lap and she stood up and she lost it. And it turns out it's in her coat pocket. And of course she has a cold neck. So that, she could wear that and look really stylish and then whip it up. I love it, even though it's not me that's going to use it. That will just save me so much time and so many. Oh, come on, Mum, you had a mask. You know you had a mask. You had a mask when we went in the post office. Where's the mask now? You think you dropped it? Where do you think you dropped it, Mum? It'll save me so much time. So I'm really pleased with that. Did I say it was $15 worth? And I think she'll love it. Then we have, oh, I'm trying to pick and choose. A key ring. Now it's one of these touchless door opening keychains. This one's in a teal colour. I actually like that colour a lot. And it's one of those for pressing buttons, opening doors, and it can hang on your keys. I really like that, just as it is, almost like it's a piece of abstract art. I think that's really cute. And I love the colours. Really love that colour. Don't know if I'm worried enough to use it in the sense that they would, but I would definitely put that on my keys just so I can find my flipping keys, because when they're in the bottom, I don't have to get my keys out to start my car anymore, so they just live in the bottom of my handbag. And then when I do need to get them out, oh, what a fuss and kerfuffle to try and find them. I'd find them with this on it, wouldn't I? So this has a value of $11, so again, I'm happy to have it. What else have we got? Oh, two more things. Right. Next is a t-shirt or shirt. Do they call it a t-shirt? They call it a white top. Let's have a look. And it's got blue bands on it. Ooh, isn't that nice? I think this will be Clingy City on me, I have to say. But look at the colours in the sleeves. I think they are gorgeous. But I have a feeling, yes, it's going to be very tight over the bazoomas. But it would be a good layering piece to go under something. I'm happy with that. I think I might have been better off in an extra large than a large. Whoops. Although large is the size I'm supposed to be. I love those sleeves. So again, I'm happy. Even if it is a bit clingy, a bit tight. I'm trying to see. I think it'll cut my stomach. I like it though. And you know, it's so soft. I would wear this as a bed shirt with a little pair of shorts. Yep. That was valued at $26. And the final piece in here is, it's a makeup palette of some description. This is what it says on here. Sinful Eyes Role Play. Definitely gonna have to look at the words on here. What does it say? It's 16 colour eyeshadow palette, wide range of shades and textures from sultry mattes to vibrant metallics and shimmers. Each shade can be used on your eyes or as a brilliant facial contour. Okay, I'm gonna have a go opening this because I actually don't have very many palettes. A lot of people think, oh, she must have tons and tons of makeup, but I haven't, because for years and years and years I didn't buy, because I was too bloody miserable, frankly, to be bothered with what I looked like. So I got out of the habit of buying things, and ooh, these are indeed very pretty colours. Look at those. Oh, now I like that. It says it's a high pigment colour palette for shadows and blush. Oh, I do like that. And I like that green. Is that going to come? Oh, look at that. Like a khaki green. Well, my father used to call it black eye green. He shouldn't have known anything about black eyes, should he? Although I think my mother was tempted to give him a few. I'm really pleased. And that palette was $20. So there we go, in my Luxury Diva box this month. And as I say, I'm like a big kid about this one. I can't wait until it comes. There's the eyeshadow palette, there's the shirt. Please don't forget the Rice Krispie treats. Oh. the keyring, which actually has to be one of my favourites, purely about the colour, and there's something very tactile about it. I like it. The infinity scarf in these fabulous colours, which I think might be really good on me, and might be the only infinity scarf I've ever kept. The, whoops, gaiter mask for mum, to save me getting any more grey hairs with the lovely woman. And last but not least, the fashion cosmetic pouch that I'm going to use for receipts. I think that was great. I do think that was great. And I just love the fact that it's all different things. I mean, I don't think I've seen, I mean, somewhere must sell gaiters around here, although I don't think we call them gaiters. I don't know what we call it. But there's nothing in there that I can't find a use for, either for myself or as a gift for someone else, which is just as much fun sometimes. Sometimes giving is a lot more fun than receiving, isn't it? So, thank you very much, Marina. I am very, very happy. So that was me. That was LuxDiva. It's Saturday. It's blowing a gale here. I'm staying in and getting quite a few things filmed today. And this one jumped the queue. Okay. Bye, guys.